Day Adventists who are breaking the Sabbath to be at champs, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. You should be at church right now worshiping God in the beauty of holiness, and instead you are here at champs desecrating God's holy day of rest. Repent and turn to the Lord. Seventh-day Adventists, go back home and keep the Sabbath holy. You should be at home or at church worshiping God in the beauty of holiness. Repent and turn from your sinful ways. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Today is not a day for pleasure. Today is not a day for sports. It's a day of holiness unto the Lord. And if you claim to be of Jesus Christ, you should repent and keep the seventh day holy, because it belongs to God, it does not belong to man. This day is not a day for you to be desecrated, cheering on your favorite school team. It is a day of holiness unto the Lord, people of Jamaica, Christians,